In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing your layout with friends, or just showcasing your organizational prowess, sharing a Notion template is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Notion workspace and navigating to the specific template you want to share. Ensure that your template is polished and ready for others to use, as this will be the version your recipients receive. Within Notion, templates can include everything from pre-populated pages to a complex structure of linked databases, so having everything set up exactly as you wish is crucial. Next, you'll need to look at the top right-hand corner of your screen for the Share button. This is your gateway to making your template accessible to others. Click on Share, and you'll see a pop-up window appear. First, make sure you turn on Share to Web by toggling the switch. This setting is essential because, without it, your link won't be accessible to others outside your workspace. Once you've enabled Share to the Web, you'll see various link sharing options. Here, you need to make sure that the option Allow Duplicate as Template is enabled. This particular setting allows others to copy the template into their own Notion workspaces. If this is not activated, your recipients will only be able to view your template rather than import it for use. Once you've ensured the settings are correct, it's time to actually share the template. You'll see a Copy Link button. Click this, and you'll have a link ready to share with anyone you wish. You can send this link via email, text message, or any other form of communication that suits you. Just make sure the person receiving it knows to click on the duplicate option once they open the link, so they can integrate your template into their Notion environment. In addition to these basic steps, it's good practice to periodically update your template or share variations depending on the audience. Sharing templates can be particularly useful in an educational or team setting, where a well-structured Notion page can minimize startup time and standardize information across users. Ready to dive in? By following these steps, you'll successfully share your carefully crafted Notion template, making collaboration or education a breeze. Hopefully, this starts you or others on a path to better productivity and creativity. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful.